Hi there. Are you interested in machine learning? Well, have you considered becoming a machine learning engineer? Here is a 60-second rundown. A machine learning engineer researches, designs and builds self-running AI systems to automate predictive models which can learn and make predictions, as well as helping to maintain and improve existing ones. For example, this could be a model for a customized newsfeed or a self-driving car. These systems leverage huge datasets in order to generate and develop algorithms capable of learning and eventually making these predictions themselves. As according to BrainStation.io, in order to develop these systems, the engineer must do the following: assess, analyze and organize data, execute the relevant tests, and optimize the learning process in order to develop high-performance machine learning models. In order to perform these roles, ML engineers must have software engineering and data science skills. In other words, this means possessing the coding skills of a software engineer in order to collect and process the data. Then, per the skills of a data scientist, analyze this data to generate a machine learning model. In order to do well in this role, you'll need to possess the following technical and soft skills: exceptional mathematical skills, exceptional written and verbal communication skills, strong analytical skills, high attention to detail, innovation and creativity, and the ability to work with large complex data sets. If you have any questions on this topic, be it the terminology used or anything else, feel free to ask in the comments. And if you want to see more content like this, feel free to follow us at SkillStruct on all major social media platforms.